For you all, welcome to our Tagalog learning video. This is Miss Gutierrez. Yes, the author of 22 books, and the first is Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, written by yours truly, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. And also Philippines recipes. My beloved mom is right here in front of the book cover. Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by yours truly, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. And all my 22 books, yes, 22, are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, all bookstores near you. And at my two websites, juanitagutierrez.com, Juanita Gutierrez, BSCDMSCD.com. Welcome to my wonderful subscribers. Thank you so very much for your support. This is a gift from my student who is a Filipina, a valedictorian here in New York City, where I'm a New York City school teacher for so many years. And today we are going to study parts of a sentence. Sentence in Tagalog is pangungusap. Pangungusap. First syllable pang, second syllable and third syllable usap. Pangungusap. And parts means bahagi. Bahagi. Of a ng or ing or nang. The two parts of a sentence. Pangungusap. Bahagi ng pangungusap. Pasimuno. Pasimuno. In English, subject. And the second one is panag-uri. Panag-uri. In English, predicate. Example. Ako, that means I Pilipino. Ako is the subject or pasimuno. I Pilipino, predicate or panag-uri. In English, I am a Filipino. And by the way, my pointer is having The Secret Miracles of Teresh Judan Blaze, another book of miracles I wrote. Yes, that's me, Juanita Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD, available worldwide as well. So let's review parts of a sentence. In Tagalog, bahagi ng pangungusap. Pasimuno, subject. In English, panag-uri in Tagalog. In English, predicate. Example, ako, I Filipino. I am a Filipino. Ako is the subject or pasimuno. I Filipino, predicate. Panag-uri. I am a Filipino. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. And another learning. Maraming salamat po. That means thank you all so very much. God bless us all. Pagpalain po tayo ng poong may kapal. That's the meaning of God bless us all.